with it. Let's go get cars in your room. Come on, let's go get some cars in your room. Come on.
Let's get the airplane.
No.
You gotta get the cars in your room.
Bring your cars out here. Great idea. Now he just wants to crash. I want him to go in his room. Come on.
I know.
He will. He'll get there.
Uh-oh. Tyler, go in your room and get your case of cars. Tyler,
I'm in the trash.
go in your room.
Right, it's a truck. I have the truck in here. The wheels are on.
Wheels around.
That's a plus. I want a truck without the wheels on.
Whoa!
Oh, wait a minute. That's my truck. That's my truck. Give me my truck.
Oh wait, no. I think it's my truck. I think Santa left it for me. Go in reverse, dude. Go in reverse. Does the thing back up? Hit the other button. There you go. Now you can go all crazy. Go for it.
See, I'm missing those two things. I gotta fix it.
What two things?
There's two pins underneath. That's why the wheels aren't the same.
I almost crashed.
Oh, the bag.
Fix your wheels.